If your Instagram Explore page looks like mine, you're gonna see a bunch of stuff that you are not interested in, and you may want to try to reset it. And there's no secret setting options to reset your Explore page, but there's 3 steps which always help me. So it sort of reset the Explore page for me. So let's get started. I show you on this account here, and the Explore page is basically the magnifying glass icon or search icon, which you want to call it. And here, a lot of this stuff I have no idea why it's showing to me, so let's clear this up. So now let's go back to our profile page. In the top right corner, let's hit the 3 lines. And the very first thing I want you to do is go to the settings page, hit search and hit recent search history, and go ahead and clear your search history. This is not gonna do everything on its own, but it's one of the 3-step process. So let's go here and let's hit clear all. And then it should say no search history. So that's step 1. Step 2 is under the settings page again, but this time I want you to again hit the search bar and go type in manage likes. And here you can remove any likes or comments which are not relevant to you right now, as you can see like this. Step 2. And now let's go back. And now we're gonna head over to step 3, which is basically training the algorithm. So click on the post here, for example this post. And if you like this post, give it a double tap to retrain the algorithm. And if you don't like something like here, press the 3 dots in the top right corner and click on not interested. When you press not interested on a post, it will say this post has been hidden, will show fewer posts like this from now on. But you could always undo this too if you change your mind. And now my final message is, spend a couple of minutes every day retracing your Explore page. You only once have to do step 1 and step 2. So you only have to do the step 3 process every day. So in a couple of weeks, your Explore page will looks like something relevant to you. And if Instagram rolls out a new update for resetting your Instagram Explore page, I will do an update on this video and I will pin it in the first comment down below. So that's it for today's video guys, I hope it helped and you find it useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.